beat up my little brother, so I made sure he left in handcuffs and never walked free again. My younger brother Danny was the kind of kid who didn't have a mean bone in his body. He loved video games, comic books, and drawing superheroes on the back of his school notebooks. He wasn't built for fights, wasn't loud or tough, just a quiet, gentle soul who kept to himself. And because of that, he was an easy target for people like Travis. Travis was trouble from the start. A high school dropout who thought he was 10 feet tall because he lifted weights and had a few cheap tattoos. He walked around our neighborhood like he owned it, always carrying a beer can, always looking for someone smaller to push around. Everyone knew he was bad news, but no one ever confronted him because Travis lived for fights. He wanted people to be afraid of him. One night, Danny came home late, and I'll never forget the sight. His face was swollen, his lip busted, and his shirt torn nearly in half. He tried to shrug it off, but when I pressed him, his voice cracked, and he admitted it was Travis. Travis had cornered him outside the convenience store, accused him of looking at him wrong, and beat him to the ground. He even stole his backpack afterward. My hands shook with rage. Danny had done nothing, and this coward had hurt him just because he could. Every instinct in me wanted to go find Travis and put him in the hospital, but I knew if I laid a hand on him, I'd be the one wearing cuffs. I needed another way. And then I remembered something. Travis was addicted to underground fight clubs. He bragged constantly about being undefeated,